Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 23rd of January, 2025, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You definitely want to stay informed about any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any company among 45,000 globally today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.21. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis have reaped a remarkable gain of 24.48% since we first designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 6 days ago. This equates to an average return of 4.08% per day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further increases. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 118.39% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 72.43% to 187.95%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 22.30% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 53.69% and positive 40.94%. This corresponds to a price range of $1.95 to $5.95 after a year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price experienced a decline of nearly 5% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 23rd, 2025, dropping from $4.44 to $4.22. Throughout that day, the stock fluctuated by over 8%, with a low of $4.10 and a high of $4.44. Overall, the price has shown fluctuations during this period, yielding a gain of approximately 7% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, trading volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock price, which is typically a positive indicator since volume should align with price movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 15 million shares, totaling 24 million shares traded, which amounted to roughly $102 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $5.20, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is nearly 19%, or 98 cents, below the 52-week high, and it stands at approximately 74%, or $11.90, below the all-time high recorded on April 6, 2022, when the stock price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings Inc. has been making significant headlines recently, showcasing a robust performance in the stock market. As of January 22, 2025, the stock settled at $4.44, reflecting a modest rise of 0.68% from its prior close. Earlier that week, on January 21st, shares surged by over 10%, marking a remarkable uptick amid a buoyant market for artificial intelligence stocks. This resurgence aligns with a broader trend where high-growth artificial intelligence companies are garnering strong investor interest due to their transformative potential. Furthermore, BigBear.ai's stock has appreciated an impressive 136% over the past 6 months, fueled by a growing portfolio of AI-powered analytics solutions and strategic partnerships, despite navigating some market headwinds. The appointment of Kevin McAleenan as CEO on January 15th is expected to enhance leadership stability and bolster investor confidence as he brings substantial experience to the position. In the short term, these factors could lead to increased investor interest and price volatility. Positive sentiment around AI stocks generally tends to drive prices higher, particularly if BigBear.ai continues to deliver on its growth strategy. Long-term, the trajectory of BBAI will likely depend on executing its business plan, performance against competitors like C3.ai, and macroeconomic factors impacting the tech sector. If the company manages to navigate these elements effectively, it could sustain its growth momentum and retain investor support. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again rated BBAI with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at levels $3.96 and $3.52. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Some negative indicators have also emerged, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, and the stock has since decreased by 12.27%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 69 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 77 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 92 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $4.21. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences significant fluctuations throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and it is deemed to carry a very high risk, as indicated by a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 340 cents between its highest and lowest points, which is an increase of 8.29%. During the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 12.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings, meaning it is losing money. Even well-established companies may experience downturns due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest insufficient profits and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates at -5 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.45. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $4.21. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 2nd of January, 2025, Sean Bernard Battle executed an insider sale of 44,813 shares of common stock. On the 15th of January, 2025, Kevin McAleenan performed an insider purchase of 628,931 shares of common stock. On the 15th of January, 2025, Kevin McAleenan also conducted an insider purchase of 671,141 shares of stock options, which gives the right to buy. On the 15th of January, 2025, Kevin McAleenan made another insider purchase, this time of 0 shares of common stock. On the 6th of January, 2025, Amanda Long executed an insider sale of 66,140 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 89.807. In total, insiders acquired 5,211,535 shares and disposed of 96,898,927 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4, reflecting a decline of 5.29%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 24th of January, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open at approximately 3.33 cents and begin trading at $4.25. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.